Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Dyson brand hair dryer and it's giving you an E7 error and you're wondering what this is and what you need to do to get rid of it. So first of all, the E7 error means that your dryer has overheated. So it needs to cool down before you can use it again. And I wouldn't even mess with it. I would just leave it cool down for a few minutes. And then what you want to do is, if you were using it a whole lot, it might have just overheated from overuse. But you can see here I have this image of this. This is the filter that's on the bottom of it. You can take that off and let it soak in some soapy water for about 30 minutes. You can wipe down the area on the actual hair dryer. And then once you've done that, you can rinse this filter off, let it dry, and put it back on. And then you should be able to use it fine, your hair dryer again fine. And it shouldn't be overheating anymore once you get that filter cleaned out, unless you're just overusing it, and sometimes it will overheat and you'll just need to let it cool down. Anyways, hope this video helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.